Here's how I made my Guts World Tour outfit inspired by Olivia Rodrigo's CRUMBL COOKIE. I just love the design of the cookie and I thought, why not make it into a dress? Everyone knows that Olivia owns the color purple, so I looked into my fabric stash and found this gorgeous, shiny lilac knit fabric that I bought years ago that's been waiting for its moment to shine. The last time I used this fabric was when I made a Wings Club Bloom outfit and it turned out so cute. Because I only had less than a yard of fabric, the base outfit designs are also limited. I used an existing tube top and skirt waistband as guides, hoping to make the most of what already little fabric that I had. First things first, I traced my tube top pattern on paper, folding it in half to get everything symmetrical and not forgetting to mark 1 cm seam allowance before cutting. Just to share the backstory of this outfit, it all started because I was doom scrolling TikTok on a Friday night. Who can relate when those damn CRUMBL cookie reviews kept popping up and suddenly BAM! Inspiration just hit. Even though I didn't have tickets to Olivia's show, I joined a contest where I could stand a chance to win tickets by showing my Guts theme outfit. So here I am, fingers crossed manifesting this dress would win me tickets to a concert. Okay, back to the skirt. I traced out the waistband from a skirt with a similar stretch to the shimmer fabric. Then I repeated the same steps I did with the tube top to get my paper pattern. Then I use a circle skirt calculator for the flare. It sounds fancy but really it's just math. All I had to do was measure my waist radius and desired skirt length, which I wanted it to be 6.5 inches long. I then marked and cut out these measurements to create a full circle flare for my skirt. Now I'm ready to cut my paper patterns. Unfortunately, due to fabric limitations again, I had to crop the length of my tube top even more. Fortunately, I have enough fabric for the tube top lining. The fabric struggle is really real, you guys, when you don't have enough to work with. These are the final patterns that I have. I'll start with the skirt first because that's the easiest. So I'm taking both the front and back waistbands, facing the right sides together and sewing the side seams using a super stretch needle. Then I clipped the skirt onto the waistband and sewed them together. And that's literally all I had to do for my skirt. At least that's what I thought. Moving on to the tube top, I am clipping both the front and back sides, right sides facing each other and sewing the side seams. Then I attached the lining to the right side of the tube top and sewed them together. And I was so happy that the base outfit is done. But nope, I tried the two-piece on and it looked so bad. Like, the gap in between was so horrendous and I decided making it into a one-piece dress would have been so much better. Why didn't I thought about that in the first place? I don't know, maybe because it was 12 AM. Anyway, lesson learned, don't make your clothes at midnight impromptuli without proper planning. I knew there will be a seam line showing across my stomach, but it should look better than before, right guys? Okay, on a serious note, remember to always steam your seams on low heat. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, it's time for the star cutout. I'm tracing out half a star with a thick border from my iPad with tracing paper and use felt fabric to cut them out. I use felt because it doesn't fray and it's super easy to work with. Don't forget to cut the insides as well to get that thick border. I'm rounding the corners because the crumble cookie stars have curved corners and I want it to be as similar as possible. To get the dark cherry red gem filling in the middle, I mixed this magenta satin scrap fabric and purple sheer organza. Using the whole star from earlier as a cookie cutter template, I trimmed both fabrics to size and sewed them together with an obvious white thread. It's okay if the thread is peeking through now, we can unpick them later. And I'm using water-soluble glue to stick the star outline onto the gem. It looks so good and you cannot tell me that it doesn't resemble the original cookie. I felt so proud of myself. Then I got a little too far ahead and stitched all three fabrics together, only for it to look like a pruned up seashell. I humbled myself and took out all the stitches. For redemption purposes, I'm sharing with you a sewing hack. A quick way to unravel stitches is to pick the bottom thread. Executing plan B, I'm using a B6000 glue to glue the felt fabric and gem together. This glue has helped me survive rhinestoning my Taylor Swift Eras Tour outfit, so I'm a pro by now. Then I removed the white threads that are showing and glued the back onto another layer of felt fabric to sandwich the gem like a true stuffed cookie. And it's time for sprinkles! Thank God I have so many leftover sequins and rhinestones from my lover bodysuit that match the sprinkles color. Having to decide how to display them was another headache because do I want it messy like I'm spilling my guts out, or do I want to go with less is more? And I picked the latter. Following the colors of the sprinkles, I decided to just alternatively outline the star with pink, blue, purple and silver rhinestones. Ta-da! I tried on the dress. It looks so much better joined than having that big gap in the middle, but the middle seam felt like an odd placement, so I made ruching channels on the sides to create more folds in the dress. And of course, I had to sew on my brand's label. Gotta represent! And finally, we are really done. The ruching made the dress a bit shorter, but nothing some cute shots can't fix. What do you think? I absolutely love the star detail. It's definitely my favorite part of the dress. I plan to style the outfit with purple gloves, black boots, and obviously this necklace that completed the look. So wish me good luck in the giveaway. Even if I don't win, I had so much fun creating this. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the dress, and I'll see you in my next video.